A full-service automotive shop with licensed mechanics trusted since 1984 in the same location. Voted Rancho Bernardo's #1 automotive shop 2020. Are you in need of a tire repair shop? RB Tire and Brake is the best place to go for all your tire needs. We have been serving our community with quality service for over many years, and we are dedicated to providing you with exceptional customer service. Our technicians will make sure that your car is running smoothly and safely. We offer free estimates, so there's no reason not to give us a try. Our list of current services offered: smog inspection and repair service, facility auto repair, fuel injection, shuttle service. Contact us today at 8584858550 to get more information about our tire repair shop.